Guten Morgen, Klasse 9. Today what I'm going to get you to do is do a little poster about your name and words that it spells out in German. So what I've got up here is mein Name und das Alphabet. Mein Name und das Alphabet. Now the recording isn't so great, but I'll be writing up as well and putting it on Google Classroom, obviously. So what you do is you'd have a poster like this, okay? It'd be like that. Okay, and that goes in it. So if I take shortened version of my name, I put SV. Now that V means how or as in, yeah? So we might say S as in sweets, yeah? Sweets in German is Süßigkeiten, Süßigkeiten. So I have a nice big S there, V, a little picture, and the word Süßigkeiten. SV Süßigkeiten. All right. Now, in German, lollies is also bonbons. So if you've got a B in your name, you could use that. All right. And then I've got T, V, T. Easy. Yeah. T as in cup of tea, tea. E, V, elephant. E as in elephant. Yes, I know. That is supposed to be an elephant, but my drawing skills let me down sometimes. And then FV 15. FV 15. F as in 15. And then the word 15, which you can't see so great there. But as I said, I'll be putting up notes on the board. Okay. All right. Viel Spaß. Tschüss.